Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove object from video. So in here, I'm using a video editor called Wink. You can find it on the Play Store or App Store. And after you open the apps, if you want to remove something from your video, you can just find this AI removal options. Just tap on that and choose the video that you want to edit. For example, in here I'm going to edit these videos right here. You can click on the video and the video will be importing. Okay, so after the video is finished importing, what you need to do here is just brush it off the items or the objects that you want to remove. So for example, I'm going to remove the balls in here, the ball. Okay, let's reset it. Okay, so I've already brushed I'm going to just brush this balls right here. Okay, let's just wait. After this, you can just wait until the processing finish. The processing is finished. You can click on apply to all. So after that, the object will be removed. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.